Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 new apps that you can use to make PayPal money, and you should be able to make about $200 per week if you stick with it and work it. And it's really easy, and you can do it literally from anywhere off of your mobile phone. So if this sounds good to you and an easy way to make some quick PayPal money, stick around. We're going to get started on it here right now. First of all, for those of you that are new to my channel and this is your first time and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, well, anytime during the video, you can do it now or you can do it anytime during the video. When you think about it, reach down there below the video, click the subscribe button, and click that little notification bell right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I try to do pretty regularly here, usually Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays on this channel here. If you, anytime during this video, if you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and hit that like button for me, and that'll help my channel as well as the YouTube algorithm as well. Alrighty guys, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. Shouldn't be long. Should be a pretty quick video here. These 3 apps are really good. They're high rated apps on the Play Store, and they are good for making some quick PayPal cash right away. So the first one we're going to come to here, guys, is called Observa. You see it right here. It's called Observa. You can earn money and make PayPal money, and they'll even pay you in Bitcoin as well. So you can get cryptocurrency with this particular app as well. I'm pretty sure it may be, might just be, some of these are just for Android, and some of them will be for both Android and iOS too. Not real sure about Observer. But anyways, this particular app, it says right here, you can join more than 400,000 people who are acting as secret shoppers, or as we call them, observers. And get started is simple, and you just head to the stores, snap some photos, and answer a couple of questions. And every now and then you'll also get a chance to speak to a store associate. And that's it. Observer is a fun, fast, and easy way to make PayPal money or earn Bitcoin. And it says that, look right here guys, it says the gigs pay between $4 and $20 for just that short amount of time that you're doing that, and you'll get paid right to PayPal or Coinbase if you're using if you're choosing to be paid by cryptocurrency. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you need to have one of those. Make sure you go to paypal.com and just simply sign up for a free personal account is all you need, and the email address that you sign up with PayPal. I recommend that you sign up on these 3 applications that I'm going to be showing you here, and this is the first one here called Observer. But what I want you to see as well is you can see here, out of 13,000 total reviews, this has got a 4.4 star rating out of 5. That's really, really good, guys. And people are very happy with this particular application and this particular way to make PayPal money right from their mobile phone. So alrighty, that's the first application, and next we'll come over here to the second one, and this one here, guys, is called Surveys on the Go. Now this is right up here. If you look up here in the address bar, it's surveysonthego.com, and you can come here and it talks about you can earn cash at Surveys on the Go fit your lifestyle. And the nice thing I like about this is this particular application here, it's like it follows you. I mean, because your location is going to be on your phone, and it will follow you. For example, if you're in Walmart, for example, and it picks it up through location that you are in Walmart, boom, it'll pop up a survey and ask you questions about Walmart and so on. You know, 4 or 5 questions, and you simply answer those questions, and right away you make PayPal money just that quick, because it like follows you wherever you go. So it says here, your opinion is important and your time is valuable, so we pay you for making our app a part of your daily routine. And it says here, everyone loves cash. You're joining the nation's largest, highest rated consumer group, all collecting cash for their data. We call it fair trade data, and we're happy you're here. And it'll come down here, it says you deserve to be paid. It says earn cash every day. It says how? Add the Surveys on the Go app to your phone. And while you're at the store, eating out, or just browsing, a survey will pop up. Take it to earn cash. It's that simple, and you get cash to share your opinions. And then it's the fair trade data isn't a trend, it's fair. It says here, your data is more precious than diamonds. It says, like ethically sourced coffee and beautiful jewelry, it means we care deeply about what we collect and how. And we protect your data. It's anonymized and paid for. You earn cash. It says that's important because many survey companies get data in ways that they shouldn't, and that's why we're giving you our promise to always treat you fairly. So all the information you give, any kind of data to them, whether it be personal or whatever, your opinions, they're going to treat it fairly and ethically. And it says right here, surveys on the go will always pay cash for your opinions. So there's no points or anything like that here. It's all cash right here. It says get paid for being online. Earn cash anytime you open the app or you're at a website. And it says right here, the more you move plus browse your phone, the more surveys you'll qualify. So because you have your location on, this thing can track where you're at and what store you're in. And no matter where you're at, it may pop up a survey. Even if you're at a particular restaurant or something, it'll pop up a survey to do with that restaurant. And you just simply answer those 4 or 5 questions, and you just, boom, just like that, you get money into your PayPal account. And then here it says, once you've hit $10, that's the minimum, you can cash out, or you can wait until you've earned a lot more and then cash out whenever you want. And then they've got this one they do have for the iPhone as well as the Android phone. So if I come over to the Google Play Store and take a look at it here, you can see that it's right here. You want to make sure that you look for this icon right here, this $ in the green square. It's called Surveys on the Go. And if we scroll down here, it says make cash by taking surveys. We pay you real cash, not points. It's fast, it's easy, and most surveys will pay between $1 and $5, with some of them paying up over $10, as you see there. And it said, look down here, guys, it's a 4.5 star out of 93,000 reviews. 4.5 star rating. That's almost 5 stars. I mean, there are people absolutely love this particular application and making money with it. And you can see it says to get high-paying surveys, fully enable notification and location services at all time in your settings. So they can track you by your location, and it'll just, that's pretty interesting actually. You can be in whatever, you might be in a 7-Eleven store or some sort of convenience store or something like that, and it'll pop up a little survey about that particular store, asking your opinions about it, and you answer that, and boom, money goes into your PayPal account just like that. That's the second application that you can make money with on here. And the third is this one right here. It's called Cash Magnet. And it says you can get money from your Android phone. Now this particular one here does not, will not work on iOS or iPhone, not just yet. They're probably working on it as we speak. Eventually they'll get it for the iPhone too as well. But right now it's Android only. And it says we pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. So basically, you just load up this application and you don't have to do anything. We have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. It says you do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. That's pretty interesting. It says here, prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can afford to buy another phone, it says. A whole brand new phone, and that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. And you can simply just copy this QR code here into your phone and download it right to your phone and set it all up. It says it's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way, and they're going to pay you by PayPal, Amazon, or you can get stuff off the Play Store and music. It looks like PlayStation there and or Xbox right here. So it talks about right here, and it's free to use. It talks about, see some of this here. How do I redeem my points? This one is points add up, and you can redeem your points at any time for PayPal, Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, and Steam gift cards for gaming and so on and so forth like that. The minimum payment, guys, is only $1, is all you got to have to cash out into your PayPal account. I mean, you can wait until it's more, which is probably better to do than just cash out every $1 that you get. You'd be doing it quite often probably if you do it like that. So guys, you want to come over here too. Cash Magnet app. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's cashmagnetapp.com. Come over here to this site and go ahead and get signed up here. Click sign in or sign up right here. Well, it's got to be around here somewhere. Well, it's right here. Sign up and start working. Email address and password, and then you can get signed up here. They may send you an email confirmation, so you want to be sure you check that out. Get validated. Come back and download this app and get it on your phone and just let it run in the background, and you can make money on top of that. You should, between these three apps, Observa, Surveys on the Go, and Cash Magnet, between these three new apps, you should be able to make about $200 per week, I would think. Fairly easy between these three apps. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you like this quick and really cool way to make money on PayPal and bring money into your PayPal account, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you like this app and it gave you some value. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. Click that notification bell if you didn't already do it. Got any comments or questions about this video, just leave them down below and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Being that this way here, you're not going to get rich doing this particular thing right here with these applications. It's not going to make you a lot of money. Now, if you'd like to see how I make money online, the way I do it, you want to reach down there and click in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and see the formula on how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer where you can make thousands in one day possibility. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.